No Filipino meal, be it an ordinary family dinner or a grand celebration, is ever complete without its staple dishes: a hearty chicken tinola, a decadent lechon kawali, or a satisfying chicken and pork adobo. And none of these dishes will ever taste as good or as nourishing without Magnolia Fresh Chicken and Monterey Meats. Magnolia Chicken and Monterey Meats, one of the most recognized and most beloved brands in the Philippines, are products of San Miguel Foods Incorporated, a proud member of San Miguel Pure Foods, the food division of San Miguel Corporation. It offers an unmatched line of food products and services of uncompromising quality, great taste, and value for individual consumers and food service customers. These mega brands have become part of every Filipino meal, delighting and exciting customers for decades. The secret to each brand's enduring status are simple: caring and trust. The Magnolia Chicken brand prides itself in their unique form of caring, something which they have consistently done in over 40 years, placing painstaking care into each and every one of the chickens that they produce, from their farms all the way to the household dinner tables, consistently doing things in a way they only know of, the Alagang Magnolia Way. Montiwala is Monterey's personification of what the brand stands for: meats you can trust. Trust is something Monterey has established and rightfully earned ever since its first cattle farm in the Philippines was established in 1969. Together, Alaga Magnolia and Montiwala are what SMFI's poultry and meats brands stand for. But making sure that they stay on course requires much work and dedication. At the end of the day, however, it is a process with rewards that cannot be matched. Let's start from the beginning. San Miguel Foods Incorporated boasts of fully integrated operations, from production to retail, from farm to fork, with a guarantee of uncompromising and consistent freshness and quality. With a business model built on sustainable partnerships through outsourcing and franchising, the company has built through the years an extensive network of third-party owned and operated facilities that include feed mills, farms, hatcheries, processing plants, warehouses, and distribution facilities, and a nationwide infrastructure of branded retail outlets selling pork, beef, and chicken. How is this possible? Let's talk about the farm, where all these products come from. Whether it's for poultry, hogs, or cattle, SMFI has a network of farms that breed and grow these animals. Everything in these facilities, from equipment to personnel and processes, are directly managed and supervised by highly trained professionals from SMFI, which means, of course, that quality is maintained every step of the way. From the time an animal is bred, when it is born or hatched, as it grows, when it is slaughtered, processed, stored, and distributed to the various stores and outlets, and even up to the very end when the consumer makes the final purchase. Then again, there's more to this than just a huge, closely supervised and personally managed network of farms and facilities. There's the technology advantage. SMFI's plant facilities, whether for hogs or for poultry, utilizes superior state-of-the-art technology. One of these is the controlled climate system. That is why it has always spearheaded and embraced modernizations and mechanizations, investing heavily on equipment and training from farm level to operations like slaughtering, weighing, washing, and chilling. There's also the health and safety aspect. SMFI is very strict when it comes to health and safety, and there isn't a single exception when it concerns implementing rules and policies that ultimately concern food safety. A team of experts from veterinarians, technical personnel, nutritionists, and specialists monitor every single animal every step of the way. But that's not all. To ensure that all health and safety measures are strictly followed, there is a separate team of training and audit specialists who conduct periodic checks on compliance, prescribed standards, and measured, to check and double-check, so to speak. All of these are proof that they stand by their Alagang Magnolia promise and the Montiwala priceless trust that people have been giving them over the years. From the farms to the plants, where to next? All these efforts SMFI puts to ensure the products they produce are of the highest quality because of the plain and simple fact that everything coming out of their farms and going to the plants will eventually end up on someone's plate. Over 900 franchise outlets throughout the country. These are a combination of supermarket-based and standalone neighborhood meat shops and chicken stations. They now also have ready-to-eat barbecue and roast chicken stores. They also supply their products to selected wet market distributors and institutional customers, and export products to selected Asian and Middle Eastern countries. Given this wide reach of SMFI products, they make doubly sure their standards are far-reaching too. They guard their produce all the way to every outlet's checkout counter, so to speak. And every single person who touches their product has been well-trained to do so. Quality audits are regularly done by SMFI's Quality Assurance Team in all distributor facilities and retail outlets. This is to be 100% certain that the strict controls, food safety procedures they have worked hard to put in place are followed. The rewards for all these are quite high. SMFI's plant facilities have been accredited by all essential Philippine government agencies, international accreditation bodies, and food service customers. They have consistently received awards, recognitions, and accolades, both global and local, that have put them on top of the game. Above all, and this is the truly priceless prize, they have earned the respect, trust, and loyalty of customers who work as hard as them to put decent food on their families' tables. That is what really puts SMFI ahead of the rest. The brands they carry also carry the trust of the consumers, and with good reason. From raw meats to marinated, easy-to-cook products, each and every customer of Magnolia Fresh Chicken and Monterey Meats can be assured that they and the families they love get nothing less than healthy, scrumptious food of the highest quality every single day. SMFI is committed to giving only the best to the Filipino consumer. They want to live up to the trust that generations of Filipino families have always given them. The awards and recognitions SMFI has accumulated through the years are truly inspiring. But at the end of the day, it's the trust bestowed on them by customers who feel the truth in their Alagang Magnolia and Montiwala promise is what truly matters. And so, the promise remains. Nothing less than fresh, safe, best tasting, and highest quality products from farm to fork.